Do you have water leaking from your two-stroke exhaust system on any of your Seadoo Rotax engines? If so, the more likely culprit is these discs here. They're put in there from casting from when the exhaust is originally made. They're made out of aluminium and they corrode away. If you can see that one there, get the light right, it's gone flaky. I mean, I would have that replaced, but if you come across this one here, it's already gone. I mean, just if you get a screwdriver or a pick, you can see you can make it better. The aluminium's lost all its integrity. Take that down to your normal, welders, machine shop, and they'll be able to grind those off and replace them. You normally find 4, 2 on the other side. I would get them all replaced at the same time. This model in particular is of a 800 GTX RFI. You may find that sometimes they're split across the centre with a clamp, and also just when you do put them back together with a clamp, there's a special procedure and obviously sealants used within it. Cheers.